Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the ColorfulJuly April mystery box. This was sent to me to review for you guys, but of course I'll be giving you guys my honest opinion on it. So first off, the packaging was really cute. The box came wrapped in a strawberry wrapping paper, and it also had some Sanrio and BT21 stickers throughout the package, which I thought was really cute. So first off, it came with a white organza bag. It also came with some little flower hair clips, and it has a little like emerald stone in the middle. It also came with this jar of like stones and like broken crystal pieces. I'm not sure what to call them, but they're really pretty. It also came with two gel liners. This one is number 11 and it is a purple. It's a little bit more muted in person. This one is number 8 and this one is like a royal blue color. It also came with some 3D flower molds and some metallic watercolors. It also came with a nail tip adhesive gel and some charms. It also came with this little UV LED lamp and this rhinestone picker and also this sponge thing tool and some stickers. It also came with these galaxy and marble foils, and it also came with 4 gel pots. These gels are like cream gels, they're not like regular gel, and honestly they're really nice quality. They applied very easily and I really like them. It also came with this painting palette. It also came with these hearts and star shaped glitters in different colors. And it also came with this nail stamp, which you stamp it on a paper and draw your nail design on top of it. And it also came with this really cute mint green sticky notepad. And finally, it came with these nail protectors. So that is everything that came in my box. Every box is different, so you'll get the same type of products, but yes, different like colors and stuff like that. But yeah, I really liked my box. It had a lot of things that I don't already own, so that was really nice. So if you guys are interested in getting your own box, I will have it linked in the description along with the coupon code that they gave me. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my nails with some of the products that were included in the box. So I'm gonna start off by prepping my nails. So I'm pushing back my cuticles, and then I'm going to go ahead and remove the shine off of my natural nails with this Macar buffer. It is a 100-180 grit buffer, and I am using the 100 grit side just because I feel like the 180 doesn't really do much. It just kind of smooths it out, but I need it to be a little bit more rough. I'm not doing too much prep on my nails for today's video since I don't really want my nails to last very long. So yeah. So after removing the shine, I go ahead and dust them, and these are the full cover nails that I'm going to be using. They are the BT Art Box Long Ballerina full cover nails. I'm taking my buffer and I'm just buffing the inside of the nail to remove the shine. That way the gel has something to stick onto. Now I'm going to clean off my nails with some alcohol, and this is also going to dehydrate the nail. Now I'm going to prime the nails with the Nail Polish Triple X Bond Primer. So now I'm going to use the nail tip adhesive gel that came in the box, and I'm going to apply that onto the full cover nail. So I'm just going to squeeze some of that gel into the full cover nail, and then when I go in to apply it, I'll start from the cuticle area and then I'll just press down. And this gel, like, you could leave your nail on there and it will stay in place, but you can't leave it on for too long because then it will start to lift up and start to like create bubbles and stuff. So yeah, this gel, it is thicker than the regular adhesive gel, but it is not quite a solid gel. I honestly did struggle using this product a little bit just because I wasn't used to it, but eventually I did get the hang of it. I'm not sure how I feel about it, to be honest, because after you cure it, it doesn't turn hard like the other gels. Like it stays squishy and you can literally dig your nail into it. Like I tried using it for some like 3D nail art the other day, and I was literally able to like poke it with my nail and it would leave indents and stuff. I'm not sure if this will affect like how long your nails will last, but I only kept my nails on for a couple of days and I didn't experience any like issues, so I don't know. But yeah, after I flash cure on all of the nails, I do go ahead and cure them in my big lamp for a full minute. So moving on to filing, I'm just taking a 100 grit nail file and I'm just shaping up the nails a little bit. Now I'm taking a buffer and I'm just removing the shine off of the nails, that way the polish doesn't peel off. Now I'm dusting off the nails and then cleaning them off with some alcohol. Now I'm going to apply the Macart Prep in 1, which acts as a base coat, and you could also use it to adhere your full cover nails, but I'm using it as a base coat right now, and this is going to add some extra strength, and it's also going to help the gel polish last a lot longer and not peel off, and it's also going to help your gel polish apply a lot smoother. And once I'm done applying it, I will cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to be applying the My Nail Senpai gel polish in Peachy, and I'm going to apply this onto all of the nails except for the pinky, and I'm only going to be doing one coat of this, and then I will be curing in the lamp for 60 seconds. On the pinky, I'm going to be applying number 37, which is the minty blue gel polish that came in the box. Now I'm going to be applying the My Nail Senpai gel polish in Tama, and I'm going to be applying that onto all the nails that I applied Peachy on. So yeah, and then I will be curing it in the lamp again for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to take this little sponge tool and I'm going to be creating an ombre on the pointer finger, the ring, and the thumb. So I'm just dipping it into the gel polish and then I'm just like stamping it onto the nail. For the second layer, I do end up switching over to a different method just because I feel like all of this was unnecessary and I don't really know why I did this to begin with. But yeah, I'm just dabbing on the gel with the side that I dipped into the little pot, and then I flip it over to the clean sponge and then I just blend it upwards, and then once I'm happy with how it looks, I will be curing it in the lamp. So for the second layer, I just went in with the brush and I just applied the gel, and then I went in with the clean sponge and then I just blended it, and this worked a lot better and just looked a lot nicer. So I recommend you guys to try this instead. So on the middle finger, I'm going to be drawing on 2 little flowers, and I'm actually using a 3D acrylic brush because I wanted like my flowers to look kind of streaky. I don't know, I just like how that looked. So yeah, I'm just doing that. going to come in with this pastel yellow gel polish and this white gel polish, and I'm going to just draw on the little center part of the flower, and I'm just kind of like stippling it on to give it like that like streaky effect again. Now I'm going to apply the little like rhinestone chain thing that came in the box, and I'm just measuring it out on the nail, and then I'm going to cut it with some cuticle nippers, and I'm going to glue it on the nail with the adhesive gel that also came in the box. And now I'm going to do the same thing onto the thumb, but starting from like the middle of the nail. Now I'm going to be applying some of these little crystal thingies that came in the box. I'm not sure what they're called exactly, but I'm going to be using the Macart glue gel to apply them on. On the pointer finger, I'm going to be applying a little piece of that crystal shine thing by the cuticle area, and then I'm going to apply a little pearl, and I'm also going to apply some pearls on the thumb and the ring finger. And then on the pointer finger, I'm going to apply this little silver butterfly charm. Now I'm going to top coat the nails with the Macart top coat. So this is the final result. I think the nails turned out really pretty and like elegant. I really like them. Let me know what you guys think about them down in the comments. If you guys are interested in getting a box, I will have it linked in the description along with all the other products that I used in this video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.